Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying with a non-contact tester, safety first. Once done, remove the track and label each conductor as L, N, ground so you remember connections. Next, make a small 1/2 inspection hole in the false ceiling close to the track mount to see joists and wiring paths. This helps you locate access points without ripping the whole ceiling. Make sure to wear eye protection and a dust mask while you work. Now you inspect the wiring in the ceiling cavity, looking for loose screws, burnt insulation, or poor splices. These are the typical causes of false lighting behavior. If a conductor is damaged, replace it with appropriately sized 14/2 or 12/2 cable depending on circuit ampacity, and always strip wires cleanly. Use pigtails to preserve existing connections and make all splices inside a listed junction box. Secure the box. Finish by fastening the track to a joist or using rated anchors. Make sure screws are tight but not over-torqued so the ceiling skin stays intact. Once mounted, restore power and test each segment with the non-contact tester before installing bulbs, then power on and confirm steady illumination. If you see flicker or intermittent loss, check neutral continuity and ensure the ground is solid. Loose neutrals are the most common hidden fault. If problems persist, turn power off and recheck splices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.